Hey guys, thanks for joining me today in this episode. I'm gonna show you another local dish from the Philippines. This one is called chicken steamed in salt or Pinaupo sa Asin. So let's begin. All we need is a whole chicken, Thai massage with salt and pepper. Even on the inside, I promise you, this is the juiciest and tastiest chicken you will enjoy if done correctly. Now, prepare a lemongrass and garlic, put it inside of the chicken. Lemongrass is used for its citrus flavor and has potential health benefits, such as having antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, while garlic has a strong, savory flavor and a deedy aroma to dishes, acting as a key flavoring agent in everything from soups and sauces to marinades and spice rubs. And it also offers health benefits due to compounds like allicin, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Finally, prepare the pot enough to contain and seal the chicken inside, then put a generous amount of salt. Spread the salt evenly on the pot. More salt, much better the outcome. Then put the remaining stem of the lemongrass above the salt. It will act as a spacer between the chicken and the salt to prevent it from sticking to each other. To capture the natural juice of the chicken, lay a tin foil. Make sure the juice won't spill to the salt below. The juice that will come out to the chicken is so good and tasty, so make sure that it won't go to waste. Then arrange the chicken inside the pot, like sitting in the couch, comfortable, having beer, and not thinking of Mondays. I prepared 2 chickens in this video because I like it so much that I can eat a whole chicken under 5 minutes. Under medium flame, cook the chicken for 30 minutes. If your chicken is frozen, then it will take more than that. So to make sure that your chicken won't dry out, just check it constantly or every 10 minutes, poke it with fork. And just like that, you have a wonderful meal, the juiciest and tastiest chicken you will ever have. No fancy ingredients, just salt and pepper with garlic and lemongrass. Thank you for staying with me until this part of this video. See you again, guys.